Halor kapati TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Superintendent of Police ka East Council supa Vivek CM ulai thu bagi Pulit kila Pynkhreh saya ka Chargesheet Kaba Halor ka Jingshah Pynïap uraja ragwanshi bat kin Pynïap ka Chargesheet ha ka tayo balai jong nai we bat minta kidang ab ka forensic report na ka CFSL Hyderabad.
Sheet is on its way. Once we get the forensic reports from the CFSL Hyderabad, we will actually be able to submit our second charge sheet. So our deadline would be probably, our timeline is probably next by first week December we're supposed to submit, but by third week November we should be submitting our charge sheet. Well, let us see first for the forensic report when it comes. There's enough ground, adequate ground as of now, but let us clinch that matter with the forensic report. See, we've built a tight case and all that, and SIT has given a very robust charge sheet. Bail would be, again, like I said, is not does not depend on the police investigation, but it's on the discretion of the court.